Namaskar, I am Radha Venkatanarayanan, Carnatic vocalist, teacher, and mentor. Today is Friday for the worship of Devi Mata. I have brought a very special composition by the legendary Carnatic composer Shyama Shastri. Shyama Shastri is regarded as one among the trinity of Carnatic composers, the other two being Tyagaraja Swami and Muthuswami Dikshitar. Although not as prolific as his contemporaries, he is known to have composed not as many kritis as the other two. Yet his kirtanams are much valued in Carnatic music because of their the literary content in them, and also the rare ragams that he chose. Many compositions, there are kirtanams that there are kirtanams composed in many ragams that are quite rare, and of course he has also composed in many of the major and popular ragams also. Apart from that, there is something very special in his kirtanams, the Talagati. He is known to have composed in some challenging talams and in very rare rhythmic patterns. So, in that sense, he is one of the most highly regarded composers of Carnatic music. We can take it. This is one of his very popular kritis, Himadri Sute Pahimam. This talks about Devi Mata as Parvati Devi, the daughter of Himavan. And we all know, at least most of us who are familiar with Carnatic music and with Shyama Shastri's kirtis, we also know one thing, that he composed kirtanams while sitting at the temple at Tanjavur. The temple of Bangaru Kamakshi. That was his favorite deity, his Ishta Devata, and he composed in her presence, extempore. Also, he incorporated in all of his compositions his Namamudra as Shyama Krishna Sodari. We find that in all of his kritis. Shyama Krishna Sodari is a reference to his own name as Shyama Shastri, and also as Parvati Devi is often regarded as the sister of Krishna, of Vishnu. So, in that sense, he incorporates both of that in his beautiful melodies. He composed in a mix of Sanskrit and Telugu, heavily bordering on Sanskrit. That also makes his compositions stand apart from the other two contemporaries of his time. This one is based in the beautiful Carnatic ragam, the grandiose Carnatic ragam, Kalyani. This is a hot favorite among many people, many composers, many recent time, even film composers have composed innumerable songs in Kalyani. So, a very grand and royal feel this ragam gives, a very auspicious feel it gives. So, this one is based in the grand, royal, regal Carnatic ragam, Kalyani. Himadri Sute Pahimam. Himadri Sute Pahimam. Himadri Sute Pahimam. Varade Paradevate. Himadri Sute Pahimam. Varade Paradevate. Himadri Sute Pahimam. Parade Paradevate. Himadri Sute Pahimam. Varade Paradevate. Himadri Sute Pahimam. Sumeru Madhya Vasini Amba Sumeru Madhya Vasini Amba Sumeru Madhya Vasini श्री कामाक्षी अम्ब सुमेरु मध्य वासिनी श्री कामाक्षी हिमाद्रि सुते पाहि मां वरदे परदेवते हिमाद्रि सुते पाहि मां। श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी गौरी परमेश्वरी गिरिजा श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी गौरी परमेश्वरी गिरिजा श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी गौरी परमेश्वरी गिरिजा नीलवेणी कीरवाणी श्रीललिते श्याम कृष्ण सोदरी गौरी परमेश्वरी गिरिजा नीलवेणी कीरवाणी श्रीललिते हिमाद्रि सुते पाहि मां वरदे परदेवते हिमाद्रि सुते